Have you ever bought one of these adapters to try and get camera lenses to fit on your camera body? Well, there's a common problem that we have with a lot of these, and I'm going to show you how to fix it really quickly. Well, today's a completely comedy-free episode. Well, that's a complete lie. I have to find something to do some comedy with. Maybe I could show you how to clean a camera lens. This is for a chimney. I do not use this on your camera. All right, let's get back to this week's. There's a common problem that a lot of us find when we get these adapters in the mail and we put them on our cameras. We find that there's a little bit of a wiggle. That wiggle is caused by these screws on this ring right here. You can easily tighten those with a screwdriver, and that will make the clamp against your lens a lot tighter. And I just went in and tightened up those screws on this ring. So just get the right kind of screwdriver. You'll need one of these little micro screwdriver sets, and that will allow you to easily tighten up those screws and get that lens back on nice and tight. That's how simple it is. That's how you fix a loose lens to camera adapter. You just need a simple little screwdriver. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Please make sure to subscribe and follow along for my journey. Thanks.